Hello everyone, I am Vaibhav Markad and today's date is 18th February 2021. Today I have discussed the topic of string in Java. String is a sequence of characters in C or C++ programming languages. It represents an array of characters where the last character will be the null character that represents the end of the string. But in Java, string is an object of a string class that represents a string of characters. For example, pencil is a string of character. String class is used to create string objects. It is a predefined immutable methods in class that is present in java.lang package. But in Java, all classes are also considered as data type. So you can also consider a string as a data type. Immutable means it cannot be changed. Basically, memory in Java is divided into three parts, such as heap, stack, and a string pool. The string is imported in Java, that is has a dedicated memory location. How to create string objects in Java. To handle string data in Java, we need an object of string class. Basically, there are three ways to create a string objects in Java. By string literal, by new keyword, and by converting character array into string. String literal in Java is created by using double quotes. For example, string yes equal to in double quote hello. The string literal is always created in the string constant pool. The Java string constant pool is a specially area that is used for storing string objects, creating string objects by new keywords. The second way of creating an object to string class is by using new operator. It is just like creating an object of any class. It can declared as string s equal to new string in double quote hello. Whenever we will create an object of string class using the new operator, JVM will create two objects. First, we will create an object in the heap area and store string hello in the object. After storing the data into memory, JVM will point a reference variables to that objects in the heap. How many objects will be created in the heap and ACP area? Allocating memory for string objects in Java. First one is during the execution of first statement using new operator. JVM will create two objects, one with the contents in the heap memory and another as a copy or literal syntax in the string constant pool area for future purpose. the reference variable s1 is pointing to the first objects in the heap memory, and when the second statement will be executed for every new operations, JVM will create again new objects will contain syntax in the heap area. But in the string constant pool area, no new objects for literal will be created by JVM because it is already available in ACP. The S2 is pointing to the objects in the heap area. Third one is during the execution of third and fourth statement. JVM will create new objects with contents syntax in the ACP area because it is already available in string constant pool. It is simply point to the reference variable S3 and S4 to the same objects in the ACP. Three objects are created two in the heap area, and one string uh, and one in string constant pool. That's all about the string in Java. Thank you.